Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day here at Country Chevrolet, and you know what time it is. I have a 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500 Trailboss. LT trim, but is loaded out. And I'm telling you, this thing is nice. Of course, the Trailboss comes with a 2-inch lift, but you have a 6.2 liter V8, 10-speed automatic transmission. And with that V8, you're gonna average 16 to 17 miles a gallon, which is really nice. A lot more power than the 5.3 for roughly the same amount of gas mileage. You have this gorgeous Chevy front end, of course Z71 because it's the Trailboss. Blacked out bow tie, black bumper to go with this gorgeous Northsky Blue metallic paint. I love this color. This is what the color of my next truck is. This is what I want. It's just gorgeous. You have these glossy black wheels with Wrangler Goodyear wrapped around. These are 18-inch. Very nice, aggressive all-terrain tire. I mean, just look at it. And this has an aftermarket Master Flow exhaust, which sounds beautiful. You come inside here, and this LT has the leather package. So you have leather heated seats. You have sunroof, power locks, windows, and mirrors, and an amazing Bose stereo system. You always got to have great music. You have power driver seat. You come inside here, and this thing it's a 2021, so it's not the new interior for 23 and up, but this is still a great interior. I still like this system that they have. But over here is all your interior and exterior lights and your mode for your tow haul mode, because this has the trailering equipment with it. And here's your 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive and auto. Look at 28,000 miles on a 21, so you still have remaining factory warranty, which is always nice when you're buying a used vehicle. You have heated steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth. The audio control settings are on the back like always. And this thing is, it's nice. I mean, this is a really nice truck. 8-inch color touch display. Like I said before, you have the trailer equipment, so you have the trailering app. You have the Chevrolet Maps Plus app on here. If you have the data package through OnStar, you have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Oh, nope, don't need that. Backup camera with the trailering assist help. And like I said before, you have the trailering app. Just a bunch of other stuff. I mean, the previous owner, Pandora, Amazon, Alexa, already had all these installed. You could do the climate from here as well, but you can also do the climates from here. You have dual climate control. Like I said before, you have heated seats, downhill assist, you have the auto start and stop, which a lot of people don't like, so they can turn it off. You have a tailgate down, hazards, traction control, and here's your power. You have a plug here and a plug in the bed, which I'll show you later, and that's where you turn that on, get that. So before you have sunroof here, the controls for it. Here's your slide and your tilt. This opens your rear view mirror, your window, which is always nice. Storage, cup holders, and more storage. I mean, this thing, if I already wasn't in love with my truck and had a payment, this would be the truck I got. Yeah, most definitely. All-weather floor mats that come with the Trailboss. You have in-seat storage, under-seat storage, little compartment carrier, which is nice. Seats 3, so a total of 5 people. Some charging ports back here, along with the 12-volt. Cup holders and armrests. This thing, just look at this. Ugh. You can hear that exhaust just rumbling. You have rear bumper side steps. You have the camera, the backup camera, it's here. This right here, a lot of people mistake this as the camera that zooms in or the camera for the trailering, but no, this is a light. When you turn on the light for the third light or the lights in the bed, that light will come on so you can see down right where your tailgate is. Here's that plug I was talking about. You have 21 tie down points in total. It's always nice. That's the most of any truck that I'm aware of. And there it is. Gorgeous Northsky Blue metallic, glossy black wheels with the running boards, Trailboss 2-inch lift, and the 6.2 liter V8. I mean, you can't ask for a better truck, especially at the price this thing is going to be. It's not priced yet. I'm going to make sure I have that in the video at the very end. But it's for sale at Country Chevrolet. Address is on the screen, numbers down in the description. Call, text me, let's talk numbers and make a deal. Let's take this thing home. Don't wait until it's too late, because I promise you this isn't going to be here. If you're ready to buy, we are ready to sell. Our motto is, you just can't beat a country-made deal. And that's what we do here at Country. We make deals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.